You guys, I told you all we had a first look for you today, and this is one that I honestly think is going to sell extremely well because right now the resale prices for the early pairs absolutely still insane. But we still have quite a while to wait because this is a September release. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead, let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. Ball like switch. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with Rob, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to get all the notifications every time I drop these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at @TheRealHegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfect Brims, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. You guys, really quick before we get any further into today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button, man. Let's go ahead, let's get these likes up and everything. I really want to try to get this one up to about 400 or 500 likes, because this is a sneaker that I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to, and honestly I think this is going to be one that is going to sell extremely well. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this shoe. All right, you guys, got the box right here. This one, again, I was actually lucky to get a great price on this. Shout out to my drama the manager. Always great price, I gotta admit. But I know a lot of people were charging over 300 for these, and I actually was able to get them for a little bit less, so super thankful about that one. This, I think, is a September 12th release, and once again got a face box. When I tell you guys that I honestly am getting pretty tired of the face box being every single sneaker, and I'll tell y'all, before, yeah, it was kind of cool to get some of the same boxes and everything, but at least multiple boxes were different. Like, you know, you had Jordan 3s in its own box, Jordan 4s in its own box, Jordan 5s and 6s in its own box, and it was kind of easy to tell whatever. If you're somebody that doesn't have drop fronts, all right, it's kind of easy to tell which one is which. This one, not so much. You kind of have to take a guess, and that's why I really think everybody should get drop fronts, especially after this year with all the face boxes we've been getting. But oh well, I mean, nothing we can do about it except just keep buying the sneaker that we want. But this is the Air Jordan 8 Retro in the black, white, light graphite colorway in a size 10. Style number is 305381. Color code is 007. This is a sneaker, once again, I do think is going to sell pretty well. Do I think it'll sell out? Maybe, but I just don't think any shoe right now, outside of like collabs and stuff like that are super limited, I just don't really see anything selling out. But without further ado, let's go ahead, let's get into it. We're gonna open it up together on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And here we have it, the Air Jordan 8 Chrome. This, once again, is a September release, and we still have an entire month. I think it actually releases after the Tour Yellows, but we still have a whole month to figure out if we're going to pick these up, if we're not, and anything. But I definitely think this is going to sell really well. It's a majority black sneaker. Got white, got gray. I mean, it's going to go with literally everything. So I think that's going to help it sell a lot as well. But you do have really good nubuck right here on the top of the toe. And of course, as you guys know, Jordan 8s have that signature cross strap, which I always think is super dope. Got the gray and white 23 right here as well. I love that. Every single Jordan 8 also has the Jumpman right here, and I call it the puffiness. It has a puffiness kind of out. The material is always really soft as well. The straps and everything, I'll say this, I don't wear the straps. I actually take it out and just kind of let these kind of go. Probably does kind of hit and everything like that, but I do like to loose lace my sneakers regardless of which one it is. It just fits better for me and feels better on my feet. I really don't like it being super tight, and to me, I always feel like whenever I see people like choking their life out of their leg, I'm just like, I just cannot do that. On the insole, you got a black insole with a white Jumpman. You do also have that ankle support here on the back. On the bottom, majority black bottom. Got a white Jumpman up here at the top. Got, of course, the gray, black, and white in the middle as well. I will say this is going to be nice to have. You guys know me, I like the black bottom. Don't like having too much white on the bottom, because after a while, this thing definitely gets yellow. It definitely looks dingy. I do, again, if you lace your sneakers up, just please don't tie them extremely tight like that. Like, please, that's like my only pet peeve. I don't care how people wear it. God, that's the only thing that kind of gets on my nerves. But I really, really like whenever it's just kind of loose, you're able to wear it comfortably. And that's how I've always worn Jordan 8s. I don't have too many Jordan 8s. I don't really feel like there's only a couple that are like must-haves, like playoffs, and then of course Aquas, like those are must-haves. Bugs Bunnies are must-haves as well. Outside of that, this is probably the next one I would put on a must-have list because it can literally go with quite literally everything. It's got black, got white, got gray. I mean, it has everything you need. And it is a super clean shoe. It is. The only thing I hate, and I've always hated about Jordan 8s, especially majority black ones, is the nubuck material is a lint magnet. It is a lint magnet. It's going to look like it. Mine just came out the box and it already has some lint and everything on it. It literally has always done that. It will always do that. It's, you know, never going to change. But in my opinion, I think this is a great shoe. Retail will be $215, I'm pretty sure. And right now, sizes and everything are going for in the 300s whenever you're going to resellers and stuff for that early. In my opinion, wait it out. I think it is a great shoe, but for me personally, just don't spend more than what you have to spend. I think everybody that wants a pair will be able to get a pair for retail. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but if you guys want to get it early, want to not have to deal with any of the hassle of going in the malls or anything, then go ahead, spend that money, get it early. But in my opinion, this is a clean shoe. I think it's definitely worth retail. I really do. I think it's a great pickup if you guys want it. I think it'll go with absolutely everything. And again, it's kind of good that it's coming out in September. I don't really like wearing Jordan 8s with shorts or anything like that. I prefer it with, you know, some kind of pants or anything. For me, I just think it's a little bit on the bulkier side for me. But again, that's just my opinion. Let me know if you guys are going to go pick up the Chrome 8s. Is it going to be one you guys are looking forward to? Are you guys going to, you know, are you guys going to pay resale for it? Are you not? I'm genuinely curious. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. As always, you guys, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for absolutely everything. And again, going to be a lot of fun. We got a lot of releases coming your way, so stay tuned for that. We've got a lot of first looks, a lot of pop-ups at WNBA All-Star Weekend. It was kind of crazy. I was too late. Couldn't get the laser 3s. That would have been really cool to have, but hopefully somebody puts them up on GOAT or StockX or something like that eventually, and I'll be able to grab them there. So let me know in the comment section down below. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.